Hello and welcome to the short video to demonstrate how to install Amiga OS 3.9 with Picasso 96 support using WinUAE. You will require a Kickstart 3.1 ROM image, a Workbench ADF image, the OS 3.9 CD or an ISO of it, and a copy of the Picasso 96 drivers. Once you have those files extracted and ready to go, start by launching WinUAE and set up a fairly fast configuration to use. Insert the Workbench ADF into DF0, and then go to the CD and hard drives tab and click on Create a new hard file. If you have the original OS 3.9 CD-ROM, insert it into your drive now, or if you're using an ISO, select it from the file requester. When done, tick CDFS Auto Mount DVD drives, then go to the RTG Board tab, select UAE03 from the drop-down menu and then start the emulation. When Workbench loads, you should see the hard file and CD icons displayed. The hard file must be formatted before we can use it, so perform a quick format on it and then we are ready to install OS 3.9. Start the install script, and when asked to insert locale, press cancel and installation will continue. Once the files are finished copying, eject the ADF file and reboot into your new install of OS 3.9. Now press F12 and go back to the CD and hard drives tab and add a directory. Select the location where you've extracted the Picasso 96 drivers to and then reset the Amiga. Back on the Workbench screen, open the disk you just added and run the Picasso 96 setup file. Remember to change the location of the support files during the installation to the hard file so they are all on the same disk. Once complete, reboot and then open the Workbench partition and load Screen Mode in the Preferences directory. From here you can now access all of the new screen modes. Save your config now as you will need to reload it again shortly. Now to activate Classic Workbench 3.9. Download and extract Boingbags 1 and 2 and Classic Workbench 3.9 into our PC Amiga directory ready for access in WinUAE. Install Boingbags 1 and 2 and then choose to install the ROM update when asked. Go back to the CD and hard drives tab and remove the directory entry and click on Add Hard File. Find system.htf in the Classic Workbench 3.9 directory you extracted earlier. Add it with the device name DH1 and hit reset. Back in Workbench, double click on Install Classic Workbench 3.9 and make your choices to complete the installation. Once that has finished, reload your saved config file. Again in the CD and hard drives tab, edit the properties for DH0. Select the Classic Workbench 3.9 system hard file and click on OK to start. Now open the PC directory and install Picasso 96 again and then reboot when done. I prefer to use WinUAE in a window, but if you want a full HD display then bring up the menu and then go to the Display tab. Change these two drop-down boxes to full window and click OK, then change the resolution in Screen Mode Preferences. That's all for this video, thanks for watching.